We're approaching the habitat of the Kayla.
Kayla Boss.
Alright, Sam, you got the stick?
Got the stick.
Okay.
Here you go.
You know you are poking.
Poke the stick.
You're poking her.
You poking
You-
her. You poking her.
Okay. Go. You're going to trip over the plant. You guys walking? Go back. Stop it. Go away. We're approaching the habitat of the toy.
For the second time.
Let's move in. Stick. Toys are very protective. We can hear her young inside. We're approaching the house of the Greta. There we go.
What do we say?
The wild Greta is very unknown. Alright, the wild Greta's scared. We're approaching the house of a girl I don't even know. Here we go. We're approaching the house of the Greta again.
Hey.
We have a question! What's your question? We come in paces! We come in pace!
Just go in their house.